Sa'yo, today's video po ay mga days of the week, Sunday hanggang Saturday po. Mayroon po siyang U-wheel sa dulo, L-wheel, Pol-wheel, Y-wheel, Su-wheel, Mok-wheel, Kum-wheel, and Toy-wheel. Yesterday, Oje, today, Onul, tomorrow, Nail, day after tomorrow, More, the day before yesterday, Kujoke. Meron tayong word na this, Ibon. Kapag sinama sa week, Ibon Ju. This weekend, Ibon Jumal. This month, Ibon Dal. Pag last, Chinan. So, Chinan Ju, Chinan Jumal, Chinan Dal. Next is Taum. Next week, Taum Ju. Next weekend, Taum Jumal, Taum Dal next month. Yes, last night, Oje Bam. Tonight, Onul Bam. Tomorrow night, Nail Bam. Kasi ang night po ay Pam o Pame. Daytime ang Naje. This year, Ure. Next year, Nenyon. Last year, Changyon. This day, Inal. This time, Ishigan. That day, Kunal. That time, Kushigan. Holiday, Yuil. Vacation, Hyuga. Break time, it's not Yushik. Doon, Sebyok. Morning, Hachim. Lunch, Chomshim. Chongu, afternoon. O afternoon, Chonyok ang evening. Ang ating weekend, ang Jumal. Year end, ang Yonmal. The time particle natin is in the morning, Hachime. On Sunday, Ilyure.